this DIY scratch-off card idea. I started off by making my card. I used some heart stickers as my stencils. Then I added in my messages that will act as my gifts. But make sure you customize this to your Valentine as well. You will need a white crayon to cover your messages. Just make sure it's white. This will act as a barrier between your message and then the paint that's going to go on top. Now for that top layer, I use paint and liquid dish soap. Don't skip the soap. I did try this without it and I had a really hard time trying to scratch off the paint. So next you're going to cover your message with a thick coat of that paint mixture. Let it dry completely. Now you can give it to your Valentine. Give them a coin, have them scratch off to reveal what they won. Like and follow for more ideas.
If you dance all day